In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual expense in QuickBooks Online. This process can be especially useful if your bank or credit card isn't connected to QuickBooks, or if you've incurred some expenses in cash or outside your typical workflow. With that context in mind, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left part of your QuickBooks homepage, where you'll find a plus icon. When you hover over this plus icon, you'll see a menu appear. This is where you can start creating different transactions, including the expense we'll be setting up today. Next, go ahead and click on Expense. This will open up a new window where you can begin entering details for the expense you're recording. Start with the Payee field. Here, you need to select the vendor or person you paid. If the payee isn't already listed in your QuickBooks account, you can easily add them right here, providing all the relevant details. This step ensures that your records accurately show where the money went. After you've handled the payee, it's time to select the payment account. This is the account through which you made the payment. It could be cash, a credit card, or a bank account, depending on how you made the transaction. Selecting the correct payment account is crucial for keeping your accounts balanced. Once the payment account is sorted, set the payment date. By default, this is set to today's date, but you can change it if the expense was incurred earlier. Entering the right date ensures that your financial records reflect the actual time of the transaction, maintaining accuracy in your bookkeeping. While you're here, consider selecting the payment method. This step is optional and allows you to specify whether you paid by cash, check, or another method. It might seem minor, but keeping track of payment methods can help you identify patterns in your expenses. In the Category Details section, you'll choose the expense account that best describes what you bought. If you purchased a fixed asset like a vehicle or computer, make sure to select that category to reflect it correctly in your financial statements. This categorization plays a significant role in future reporting and analysis. If you like, add a description of the expense along with the amount. Be detailed enough for anyone reviewing the records later to understand what the transaction was for and why it was made at that cost. Should your expense involve purchasing inventory, the Item Details section is where you'd fill out this information. Rather than the Category Details section, it's designed specifically for inventory tracking. Also, don't forget you can attach supporting documents such as receipts. This provides proof of the transaction and keeps your records tidy and complete. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review your entries. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. This step saves your data to the system, ensuring that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. That's it. You've successfully created a manual expense in QuickBooks Online.